Okay, so this is Collin Flynn doing his voter problem. If the audio is kind of crap, I'm sorry. This is a kind of loud classroom, and I'm not going to try to talk over everyone. Yeah, here we go. All right. So as you can see here, I've got my whole breadboard. I'm just going to do a bit of a sweeping view just to show everything. Alright, so those are all circuits with the, hang on, there it is, get out of here, you too, you get out of here too. Okay, there is my circuit. Actually, hang on, I'm going to turn these guys off.
But see, when I say he's not in the ballpark, it sounds like he hit a home run, and that's definitely not the case.
Go.
So I think
Oh wait, they're all connected.
There we go. Out of the ballpark. Two different things.
I'm done. He didn't hit it.
Try it's not running.
So he's in the ballpark.
So, yeah, here we go. So
and then John hit it out of the park.
I need a buzzer.
There we go.
Actually, John didn't have a park yet because I'm.
Alright, so here we go. So, first, this is the president, the treasury, the secretary, and the vice. So, treasurer is S1, secretary is S2, vice is S3, president is S4. Okay? So, hang on. Okay, so first, we got the treasurer. Don't know why it does that, that's not supposed to. And the president gets on, good. Alright, and then we got the secretary and the prez. Alright, that works well. Then we've got the vice and the president. Alright, that's supposed to do. Good. Alright. Alright, and then we got a combination of the vice, secretary, and the treasurer. Alright, so that's good. Alright. And actually, yeah, that's all the combinations. So that was all for the voter problem. I'm not sure why it came on for just treasurer and president. And also that little glitch on when it came on at the beginning. I've got no clue. Actually, it's doing it right now. It's doing it right now. I'm not touching anything. I don't know why it does that. But maybe it's because I've got this new battery thing right there. Maybe that's doing something. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that, kind of. Actually, yeah, I think that's the case. So, yeah, that was me. Later, bye.